Welcome to this new video, guys, and today we will install John the Ripper and try it and see how it works. First of all, we have to make the installation, so we have to make apt install John, and this will be install the file. Okay guys, so now we have installed the John, and now we have to go and test its operation. So we have to enter the run directory, and in the run directory we have to put John test. And now it's testing the file if the operation is okay. Okay, so now we have tested the John, and now we have to look at the two files that are in the etc directory, the etc password and the etc shadow. So we have to put the following commands. First of all, we have to enter in the etc directory, and in the etc directory type the name of the file following a tail. We have to read it like this: tail password. And here are all the passwords that we have. And now we have to see the second file, that is etc shadow, and we have to write it the same: tail shadow. And here will be the passwords, again encrypted, and the significates of the file. This in the etc password, the X is the user, and the other is the following password. Okay, so now that we have seen the passwords, now we will going to group the two files with the command unshadow etc and decrypted. Okay, so now we're going to do the following commands: sudo unshadow etc password and etc shadow, and this will be the normal procedure to see. Now if you put ls, there will be pop up the encrypted .txt. So now we have to give read permissions, so we have to do the following commands: and one more that is chmod. And this will be the the root permissions. And now we will start the process with John. Now we have we are going to decrypt the password. So now we are going to do the following command, that is John encrypted that format crypt. So now if we see is making all the passwords, and we have to wait. It's loading all the passwords, and if we see we have almost all the passwords decrypted. And now is searching for the most complicated password. And also we can check if we click the spacebar, the passwords are being tested. Okay, so we have waited some time, and the weak passwords have been found easily in literally seconds. And yeah, this is how John decrypts the passwords. Okay, so now guys, we will do I think more complicated. So now we have to install first of all the Spanish dictionary. So we have to apt get install W Spanish, and this will be installed, and we can check that it is already installed. So now we can see, if we enter the directory, we can see the content. Okay, so here is all the content of the file. If you can see, is all the Spanish dictionary. Okay, so now we have seen the content of the dictionary, and now we will change the password of the user, that he has the password 123456, and we have changed it for a word, a Spanish word that has 7 letters, that is called abadeo, and we will see if the John the Ripper can found it. Okay, so now if we want to decrypt the password, we have to put the following command, that is John word list, the directory of the dictionary, user share dict Spanish, encrypted don't text, and format crypt, and this will be decrypt the passwords. And if we click the spacebar, this will be will be searching for the password, and I don't know, but I have an error that it doesn't found it, but the normal procedure is correct. As you can see, it's searching, but it's not found anything. But the word in Spanish, it start but in A and B, so it can't found it now. I don't know why, but all the procedure is follow it correct.